In our last video, we set up the score, but what we did not do is set up our measure numbers. So let's go ahead and get started with that. We're going to click on Document and go to Edit Measure Number Regions. And it's going to be a pretty simple process. We're going to click on Enclosure right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on Set Font. We're going to change this to size 18. The box that says italic, uncheck that box. Hit OK. Then we're going to go to position, and we're going to change the horizontal position to 0.1 and the vertical position to 0.24. And the reason we're doing this is so that there's no collisions between this and the treble clef, and no collisions between this and the page number at the top. So we'll click on that. That's good. Then click this box that says linked parts. Uncheck this because we don't want huge measure numbers for the part scores, right? And if we were to have left this box checked, we would have huge measure numbers for the part scores. Click on Font and make it size 12. And uncheck italic and hit OK, and that should be fine. Then hit OK. There's our new measure numbers. They look good. We just have one little problem, and it's here with this percussion section. You see, we should have measure numbers showing at the start of every instrument family. Here's the woodwinds. Here's the brass. And we should just have the percussion, and we should just have the strings, but we have these two here, so it's a bit of an issue. So we're going to fix that in two ways. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on, I should say we're going to fix that in two steps. We're going to click on the staff tool. It looks like a treble clef in your main tool palette. And we're going to go to Groups and Brackets, and we're going to edit Groups and Brackets. And we need to find the group that has drums somehow. It'll say snare drum or bass drum. We need to just look for that group. There we go. We want to change this top staff to cymbals. So what this means is that this line will start at cymbals and extend down to bass drum. So we'll hit OK. And now we still have this measure box showing, but at least we have a bar line going through the whole section now. So let's fix, let's fix this measure number that I have showing for the snare drum. And we'll do that by, again, the staff tool, and we'll double click. And we're just going to keep it kind of simple for the sake of this course. We're going to just uncheck measure numbers. And there we go. Now that could create a problem in a part score, but we're not going to really worry about that for now. This is a good score setup for our full score, and we'll get into parts a little bit later. So thank you for watching.